Hi, we're making Chola dal today. This is 2 tablespoons of chana dal and 5 tablespoons of urad dal. And we're going to soak this and we go from there. That's the spoon we used, level. Here is the kali urad dal and the chana, it's been soaked. So there's like 3 types of urad dal. This is the kali urad, which is kind of split, and that's what we're cooking today. Our dal now is soaked for a half hour, and the following ingredients are going to go in when we boil it. So starting right here would be garam masala, dhania, jeera, then we got red chilies, bay leaves, and we got garlic ginger paste, we got green chilies, a half onion, and some amchur, and a little bit of kasturi methi. So this is our ingredients, and then also 1 tomato right there. There's the lentil, and we're going to put 1 spoon of ghee when we boil it. So that's the ingredients, and we will do tadka later. This is all going to go in and boil. Thanks. So this is what the dal looks like after like 4 or 5 whistles. It's ready for tadka, and God, it smells good. It smells excellent. So now it's time for the tadka, and they're using this contraption. Look at this, and it's got a little stand so it can sit on the stove. First she's going to put clarified butter in there. Just 1 teaspoon or tablespoon. And she's going to saute these onions. Yeah, onions are in. Almost done. She's going to put it in that serving bowl that she's going to serve with. Very good. थोड़ा उसमें दाल नहीं डालेगी, उसमें डालना दाल थोड़ा
इसमें
हाँ।
डालते हैं।
All right, lunch is served. Salad, yogurt with cucumber and all kinds of salad. Mom made this shahi paneer, which looks fantastic. These are the chanas from yesterday, but leftover chanas are fantastic. And this, of course, is the Chola dal that we're actually making the video on. Beautiful. That is divine. That's it. And there is the master chef. My CD pie wow. बस तो तले करो, हाथ करो, तले करो.
No.
मैं ऐसे ही बात है तो तुम. ये देख लो. इतना शायद कोई 16 साल की भी नहीं कुड़ी होती. हाँ? इतना शाय भी होता है. हाँ? Master chef is very shy.